Now it's hailing. Good, just in time, baby. Look. Uh-oh. I don't know about this, baby. I better get them on the computer and maybe tell everybody about our little storm system going here. Of course, I see nothing whatsoever on TV about it. Well, I fixed the camera problem anyway. It was something to do with the light exposure. I don't know. It's just... Yeah, we got hail about the size of BBs or something. I don't know if I can say pea size or not, but I'd say about the size of... Oh, there we go. Well, that's the size of a pea, bigger than a pea. They're getting larger now.